Hello dear students, this is the first video of this week, video number 5. This is the video for class 8 and chapter number 6. This is your chapter number 6, Introduction to Apps. And in this video, you will study about the following topics. You can see first topic is how to download and install apps in your mobile or in your desktop. Second, downloading apps from Google Play Store. In the previous class, you have learned some of the popular apps like Bheem app, Hotstar, Twitter and Facebook. You have learned the usage of these apps, Swiggy and Zomato, WhatsApp, Gaana and Savan, ePathshala, Ola and Uber, Amazon and Flipkart. You know the importance of these all things, and you also know the use of these all apps. Now coming to the first topic, download and install apps. How you can download and install apps. Apps means application. As I have already discussed, app means application software which you use either in mobile or desktop. So from where you get your app? First, it depends on what kind of device you are using, what kind of operating system and smartphones which you are using. Okay, now there are the three biggest smartphones platforms, which are Android, iOS and Windows Phone. You know very well that in Samsung and many mobiles they are using Android operating system. iOS is used in iPhones like Apple mobile phones, that is called iPhones. In iOS is used. iOS is the operating system which is used in iPhones and Windows Phone. In Nokia, you will find the Windows operating system. In addition to the official app stores from Apple, Google and Microsoft, there are unofficial options too. We only have knowledge about official app stores like Apple, Google and Microsoft, but there are some unofficial options too, like if we are talking about Android Amazon App Store. So Android Amazon App Store is another platform from which we can download many different apps. The Amazon App Store has to be downloaded on your phone through the web browser. You can download this app, Amazon App Store app, from the web browser. You can download in your mobile phones from the web browser very easily, free of cost. Okay. Now to download app in PC or laptop, how you can download app in PC or laptop. So if you are using PC or laptop or desktop and want to install some apps in Windows 10, then you have to open a store. You have to open Microsoft Store, because in Windows 10 operating system, there is a facility something like mobile. Okay, something like mobile operating system. In Windows 10 operating system, there is a Microsoft Store. When you open Microsoft Store, you can install many different types of apps. You can see in this is my Windows 10 operating system, and now I'm going to open Microsoft Store. When I click on this icon in the taskbar, you can see this icon. When I click on this icon, my Microsoft Store will open. This is the Microsoft Store. This is the home page, and you can see there are many different types of software. You can find many different games and many different softwares which you can use. You can see WhatsApp desktop, Zoom rooms, Netflix, Amazon Prime Video, iCloud, and many different softwares, many different games are there. You can also search some of the important software from the search box. You can click on this search box and you can search important softwares like Dropbox. This Dropbox is used for uploading some videos or some large files on the server, and you can share the links all over the world. A screen recorder is also there. Download manager is also there. Okay. Security, some security software is also there. You can install the important softwares which you want. If you have need in your PC to install some important software, you can easily install this software from Microsoft Store in desktop or laptop. Okay, because Windows 10 provides this facility to download this software from Microsoft Store. Now, I'm going to close this. Coming to the next topic, children. So next one, you can see these types of apps you can find on Windows 10 operating system. When you click on Microsoft Store, you will find these apps. Now, this Dropbox, when you click on this Dropbox, okay, so there is an option to download it. After downloading the Dropbox, you can click on launch to launch the Dropbox, and you can add videos, images, and many more things inside the Dropbox, and you can share the link. First, for using Dropbox, what you have to do, you have to create your ID. Okay, you have to fill up the form and you have to create an account. After creating the account, you can upload your videos and very large files on Dropbox. Now, to download app in mobile phones, how you can download app in mobile phones? By visiting on Google Play Store. If you want to download app from your mobile phones, then you will need to open Google Play Stores, where you can search for any app. When you open Google Play Store, you can search any app which you want to download and then click on install. First, you have to select the desired one. If you are searching for an app, you will find many apps which is similar to which are similar, and you have to select the app which you want to install. Okay, and then you can click on install. It will be installed on your mobile. Now, downloading apps from the Google Play Store. What are the steps? The steps: first step, you have to select Google Play Store on your mobile screen. Second step, type the name of app that you want to download. Third step, select a particular app from the search list. When you search, suppose you are going to download ADV screen recorder. So when you type ADV screen recorder, there are many different types of ADV screen recorder. App will be visible there. So you have to select the particular app. Okay, you have to select a particular app from the search list by touching it and touch the install button to install it. You can easily install it in your mobile or smartphones. Step 4, a pop-up screen will ask you to accept the terms and conditions. You can touch the accept button to allow the permission. After allowing the permission, the app will start downloading. You have to wait for a while, and after finishing download, you can open the app. You can open the installed app. Touch the open button and the app is ready for use. You can use the app after installing it. You can see you have to click on this Play Store. then this type of page, this is a Play Store page. This page will open. You can search your games here. You can write your name of the app in the search box, and that app will be visible. Suppose I have written encyclopedia, wiki encyclopedia. Why this software is used? This software is used for searching anything. Okay, so if I have written this encyclopedia, there are many similar apps available here. You have to search the particular app and you can install it. Suppose I have written Khata book. Okay, so you know very well what is Khata book. This Khata book is the app which is used to fill the details. Suppose you goes to a shopkeeper and you buy many items and you have no money, so the shopkeepers can give you the things. They can uh, they can write your money in the khata book, whatever amount is, and you can pay at some another time. Okay, you can pay the money later. So he can write the money and the items in the list. Okay, he will use Khata book and he will write the name of the items and the prices in the Khata book, and you can pay the money later. So this Khata book is an app which is used by the shopkeepers, and you can also use it. So when you write Khata book in the search box, okay, that app will be available here and you have to click on the install button. It will be installed. Now you have understood all the things, children, very nicely. Okay, thanks for watching the video. Thank you once again. Okay, bye children.